Hi guys, this is Pratik Lavati and I am your Gyaani buddy for today. From today I am starting a new series on AutoCAD. Please do like the video and watch it till the end.
So this is our first page of the AutoCAD version 2017. Here in the recent documents I have created some models like a sports car design, wheel design, etc. This will see it later. Today I'll only tell you about the settings in the AutoCAD which is important to us while designing. Here you have to click here in the start. Here our main page appears. The first the first setting is the unit. Only here you have to type U and here is the option. Click enter. Enter in the precision. This should be 0.00. It will be by it was by default 0.4 times 0. It should be only 2 times 0. And the scale should be always should be in millimeter. Click OK. Next go in the annotate tab. Uh, Here in the dimension in the right side one drop down button is there. Click in that. One dialog box will appear. Click in the modify option. In the modify line, the baseline spacing should be 2. Extend beyond team's line should also be 2. And this offset from origin should also be 2. The rest of things are okay. Then the next, the balls and arrow. The arrow size should be 3. Then the brake size should also be 3. In the text option, this should text height should also be 3. This here in the text pattern vertical should be above. Should also there are 5 options. This should be only above. Yeah, and the text in the text alignment it should be ISO standard. You can see the difference aligned with the dimension line. It will be offer this one. ISO standard it will be little zoom. In the fit option it is okay. In the primary unit the precision should be 0.00. It is the should be in decimal degree okay. And the click OK. Uh, Here the most important thing you have to do is that set current. If we not click this, it will go into the by default option and click close. Okay. Now the another setting is the snap setting. Snap setting is situated here, like the bottom right of the AutoCAD screen here. Here there is a drop down option, uh, object 2D or object 2D type option. Here is the object snap setting. Here snap and grid equal x and y spacing should be selected, and in the snap type grid snap and rectangular snap should be selected. In the polar tracking it should be okay. In the object snap click in the select all option, and in 3D object snap also click in the select all option and click OK. Now the next setting is the layer setting. Here in the layer property, click in the layer property. Here in the left side one option is there like new layer. The shortcut is for this is Alt plus N. Click in the new layer option. You have to type is that here is the outline, and the color I am choosing it as a white only. Yeah. Okay. Continuous and the thickness like line weight. The most important thing is line weight only. Line weight and take it as a 0.13. Okay. The next here should be of object line. Object line. The color for this should be object line. I am taking it as a yellow color. Okay. The line I am taking continuous. Only line type should be continuous, and the line weight. Line weight should be 0.5. 0.5 mm. 0.5 mm. These all settings you will understand in the next video when we will do some design and all. Object line, after object line this is hidden line. Hidden line. Here in the hidden line I am taking the color as cyan color. You can take it as whatever you want. This is of your choice. Click here as load in the load option. Hidden there's the option of hidden to. Hidden to okay. Select the hidden to option and okay. In the line weight it should be 0.4 mm. Click OK. The next option, the next layer should be of center line. Center line. Instead of cyan, I am using a magenta color. Okay. And this line type, I am using. We want to use that center to. Yeah. This center to. Okay. Select the center to option and OK. In the line weight should be the line weight should be 0.3 mm. Okay. And the one last layer should be of dimension line. Dimension line. The color I am choosing it as a green color. And the line type I am choosing as some continuous line. The dimension line it should be 0.2 mm. Okay. Now these are all the layer settings. Here you can see your settings. You added center line, dimension line, hidden line, object line, and outline. In the next video, we will see the applications of these layers and the settings we did today. Thank you.